Imagine a workout where you feel weightless, where the pressure on your joints disappears, replaced by the gentle, firm resistance of water. There's no pounding pavement, no clanging weights, just the rhythmic sound of your own breath and the silent blue world around you. Now, imagine that same workout is one of the most powerful, effective, and scientifically backed methods for transforming your entire body and mind. Today, we are diving deep literally into one of the most remarkable forms of exercise known to humankind, swimming. Welcome to Humanos Health, your guide to upgrading your body's operating system. Unlike running, which primarily targets your lower body, or weightlifting, which often isolates specific muscles, swimming demands that your entire body work in harmony. Your arms pull, your back engages, your core stabilizes, and your legs kick. It's a symphony of movement. In this video, we're going to explore the incredible science-backed benefits of swimming, from building a powerful, lean physique with zero impact to bulletproofing your heart, boosting your brain function, and even potentially adding years to your life. In simple terms, the water supports your body weight, which takes the stress off of your knees, hips, and spine. This allows you to build muscular strength and cardiovascular endurance without the wear and tear associated with land-based exercises. It's one of the few activities I can recommend to almost every single patient, from elite athletes to the elderly. We'll look at the data, hear from experts, and share stories of real-world transformation. So grab your goggles, and let's dive in. For years, running was his identity until persistent knee pain forced him to stop. Zero people and found that regular participation in swimming was associated with a 41% lower risk of death from heart disease and a 28% lower risk of death from any cause. Feeling lost, he turned to the pool on his physical therapist's recommendation. Furthermore, the cool temperature of the water means the body can often exercise longer without overheating, allowing for extended periods of beneficial aerobic activity. It's an incredibly potent tool for cardiovascular health. At first, he thought it would be too easy, but within weeks, he was humbled. In a world of constant distraction, notifications, and noise, the pool is a sanctuary. The moment you slip into the water, the outside world disappears. Unwilling to immediately turn to medication, she committed to swimming 3 mornings a week. It was tough at first, but she stuck with it. 6 months later, at her next checkup, her doctor was stunned. On the other, you have the unique sensory experience of being in the water. She started swimming not for fitness, but for her sanity. Her 6 a.m. swims became her non-negotiable mental health practice. The evidence is compelling. She describes it as the only hour of my day where my phone can't ring and my email can't find me. The pool became the place where she could quiet her racing mind, process her thoughts, and start her day with a feeling of calm control, a feeling that then carried her through the most demanding parts of her job. It's a complete system upgrade for your human operating system. It builds lean muscle and protects your joints. It forges a powerful, healthy heart. It provides a sanctuary for a stressed-out mind. And it may just be one of the most effective strategies for a long, healthy, and vibrant life. And its sustainable, low-impact nature, which allows people to continue doing it well into their 80s and 90s. Every single stroke is an investment in your well-being. What is the biggest benefit you've gotten from swimming? Or what's the biggest question holding you back? Share your story and your questions in the comments below. Let's build a community of support. It is truly a lifelong activity. When you see vibrant 80-year-olds gliding through the pool at your local gym, you are looking at living proof of this incredible science. Please hit that like button, it really helps the channel, and be sure to subscribe to Humanos Health and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. It's a forced mindfulness. You can't scroll on your phone. You have to focus on your breath. This combination makes it an incredibly powerful tool for managing the symptoms of chronic stress and anxiety. Her blood pressure was back in the healthy range, and her resting heart rate had dropped by 10 beats per minute. His team studied thousands of men for over 30 years, comparing the death rates of swimmers, runners, walkers, and those who were sedentary. For Sarah, the pool wasn't just a place to exercise, it was a place to reclaim her health. The act of being submerged in water can be incredibly calming to the nervous system. This is a core concept of what scientist Wallace J. Nichols calls blue mind, a theory suggesting that being in or near water puts our brain into a calm, contemplative state. He discovered muscles in his back and shoulders he never knew he had. After adjusting for age, BMI, and other risk factors, swimmers had a nearly 50% lower all-cause mortality rate than runners or walkers. Let me repeat that. Swimmers were found to have a significantly lower risk of dying from any cause compared to other active individuals. His core became stronger than ever. Not only did his knee pain subside, but he became a stronger, more balanced athlete overall. He replaced the high-impact pounding with powerful, full-body resistance and completely redefined his fitness. Firstly, the rhythmic, repetitive nature of swimming, the stroke, the kick, the breath is incredibly meditative. It can induce a flow state, a state of deep focus and immersion where you lose track of time. This has been shown to lower stress and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Whether you're an athlete looking for a competitive edge, someone recovering from an injury, or a complete beginner just searching for a sustainable way to get healthy, swimming has something to offer you. The first and most obvious benefit of swimming is something you can feel the moment you push off the wall. It is a true full-body workout. Swimming is a phenomenal cardiovascular exercise. When you swim, your heart has to work hard to pump oxygen-rich blood to every muscle in your body. This sustained aerobic effort strengthens the heart muscle itself, making it more efficient at its job. This density creates a supportive environment that is incredibly forgiving on your skeletal system. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, just 2.5 hours of moderate-intensity aerobic activity per week, like swimming, can significantly decrease the risk of chronic illnesses. Studies have shown that regular swimmers have lower resting heart rates, improved blood pressure, and better cholesterol profiles. For anyone dealing with joint pain, arthritis, or recovering from an injury, this is a game changer. But here's the magic. All of this happens with almost zero impact on your joints. Water is about 800 times denser than air. We spoke to Dr. Ellen Carter, a physical therapist specializing in sports rehabilitation, who put it this way: swimming is what we call a closed-chain kinetic exercise in a buoyant environment. Consider the story of Mark, a 45-year-old marathon runner from Chicago. The heart health hero, while swimming builds the muscles you can see, its most important work might be on the muscle you can't see, your heart. The scientific evidence is overwhelming. A 2016 meta-analysis published in the journal Heart looked at data from over 80 doctors. David Chen, a preventative cardiologist, explains why swimming challenges the cardiovascular system in a unique way. The horizontal body position can actually improve the efficiency of blood flow back to the heart. Think of Sarah, a 52-year-old teacher who was told her blood pressure was creeping into the danger zone. The brain-boosting, stress-busting sanctuary, perhaps the most profound benefit of swimming, isn't what it does for your body, but what it does for your brain. This experience is backed by some fascinating science. Secondly, like any aerobic exercise, swimming releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. But some research suggests swimming may have a unique advantage. Let's hear from Dr. Anya Sharma, a clinical psychologist and neuroscience researcher. The mental benefits of swimming are multifaceted. On one hand, you have the powerful antidepressant effects of aerobic exercise. This is exactly what Maria, a high-powered lawyer, discovered. She was battling burnout, constantly stressed and anxious. The longevity secret. We've seen that swimming can build a strong body and a calm mind. But could it also help you live a longer, healthier life? One of the most significant long-term studies on exercise and longevity was conducted by Dr. Stephen Blair at the University of South Carolina. The results, published in the International Journal of Aquatic Research and Education, were astonishing. While the exact reasons are complex, experts believe it's due to swimming's unique combination of full-body muscular development, intense cardiovascular benefits. So, what have we learned today? Swimming is far more than just a way to cool off on a hot day. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner who can only manage a few laps or a seasoned athlete. And now, we want to hear from you. Are you a lifelong swimmer, or are you just thinking about taking the plunge? If you found this deep dive helpful and want more evidence-based guides to optimizing your health, thank you for joining us today. The water is waiting. Your future self will thank you.